Hi children, good morning. How are you all? You are all fine and safe at home? Okay. Today we are going to learn about basic grammar. That is, today I want to teach you about subject and predicate. What is subject and what is predicate? How you can identify in a sentence. Here, subject is the name of a person or the thing. What we speak about is subject, and what we say about the subject and what we say about the subject is the predicate. For example, I'll write the definition. Subject is the name of a person or thing that we speak about is subject. And what is predicate? Predicate is what we say about the subject. What we say about the subject is predicate. See here, Sita likes to eat mango. What is subject and how we should identify in this? See, the name of a person or the thing that we speak about. Here to whom we are speaking about? We are speaking about Sita, and what she is doing? She likes to eat mangoes. So we are speaking about a person or the thing is the subject here, and what we are what we are speaking about, the subject is called the predicate. We can divide like this. Here subject, here predicate. Here Ramu has a bag. So here now identify the okay children, Ramu has a bag. Now here identify the subject. Subject is the person or the thing what we speak about. So what we are saying about the subject is the predicate. Here has a bag, right? Here Ramu is the subject and has is the predicate. These are the examples. Here when you see, the subject is Sita and the predicate is likes to eat mangoes. Here Ramu is the subject and has a bag is a predicate. So what we speak about the person or the thing is a subject, and about the subject what we are talking is a predicate. These are the example. Thank you children.